Hello everyone, it is me, Sacksooma. Welcome back to another Scratch tutorial on the channel Driple Studios. Now, last episode, I have to admit, it wasn't to the highest of standards, and I apologize for that. I was just trying to rush it, as because something important was going on inside my household. Anyway, today I'm going to try to take it slow and calm, because last episode, I feel like I didn't do it to the best of my ability. So let's jump straight into it. Now, last episode we created the play button script, so when we clicked the play button it would send us into the loading screen and send us into the plane setting on fire and then falling into the ocean, and then it will send us back to the loading screen, and then eventually it will do that. Now, there is some sort of bug, because as you can see here it says switch backdrop to game screen 2. If we go over to backdrops and click the backdrop tab, this is game screen 1 and this is game screen 2. For some odd reason it just doesn't want to work, and so I'm going to try and review the script to see what is going on. So we're going to have to go into all of this stuff. So yeah, here is the problem. It's in the backdrop. When backdrop switches to loading, wait 2 to 5, switch backdrop to game screen 1. You do not want that, so you could just grab that, drag that over here and delete it, and go back over to the play button, go back to this bit and grab a wait block, and then go down to the operators and select the pick random and select change the numbers to whatever you want. I'm just going to change it to 2 to 5, and then once you've done that, go back over to looks and grab the switch backdrop to game screen 2. So now, as you can see, if we just mute all the audio, it doesn't mute all the audio, however, I have discovered it. It now does this, so we want it to change to game screen 1. My bad. So here it is, plane going up in flames, plunge into the ocean, it's loading. And I just realised that it works, which is good. It's good. It works, and we are all good. So now we want to make it so the audio plays in here. So what we want to do is go ahead and go to events, grab the when backdrop switches to menu. I'm going to drag all these blocks to make some space. When backdrop switches to menu, we want to change the menu to game screen 1. I'm going to go to control, go down until repeat until, drag that here. Then you want to go to operators, and then you want to grab this block blank equals 50. Drag that over into like the missing section of the repeat until, and then you want to go to backdrops, backdrop tab, and see which one it is. So it is backdrop number 5. Now it should be backdrop number 5 for you guys, but I'm not too sure. So we want to select backdrop number 5. Then you want to go to looks, scroll down, and then when it says backdrop number, drag that into the blank. Drag this over so you can see it a bit clearer. When backdrop switches to game screen 1, repeat until backdrop number equals 5. And then you want to go down to sound, play sound, space noise until done. So now it will make the plane actually emit that sound. And then we want to play sound, plunge after it hides. So yeah, your code should look like this. It's quite easy to tell because of the color arrangement, which is really good. I like the color arrangement. So now let's click the green flag to set it to the main menu, and now let's save. So now let's play it and test if all the audio works. Okay, yep. There we go, it plunged. And there we go. Actually, you want to change it to start sound, and then we're going to change this timer here to 6 seconds. So I think I just had to wait the full 15. Never mind, that is absolutely annoying. So just keep it as play sound, but then you turn down space noise. There we go, that's good. So now we are going to get out of that, click the green flag and click save. Click play. Actually, wait. The mute audio still works, but not for everything, but that's fine. Plane sets fire, plunges. And here we are. We are now on the desert island. So this is where we want to create a new sprite. So let's click choose a sprite. And because our game is called Cat Strand Away, we're going to search cat. And here he is. Now we want to select the cat sprite and now go to costumes. Cat B we want. So this is him moving. We want to delete cat B and then get rid of the -A, sorry. Or hyphen. I'm not too sure what it is. I think it's a hyphen. You know. And then now we want it to go when green flag clicked. We want to go to looks and go hide. Now you should start getting the hang of it. Whenever there is a non-menu button, when the green flag clicked, it should hide. Otherwise it will just pop up there, and that's not what we want. So we want to go back to events. When backdrop switches to menu, drag that out, and instead of menu, click it, go down to game screen 2, because that is our deserted island, and click that. Now, all we want is, I'm not too sure, we want to go to look, sorry, and we want to go scroll down until it says show, and we want to go there. And then we want to now have him on this part of the island, so he wants to be there, so click. When green flag clicked, I want to go to motion. It's when you see the go to X equals wherever he is. You want him on the left hand side because it's the easiest. You want that, and then all you want, pardon me, excuse me, and then all you want is a good thing. So when the green flag is clicked, he'll spawn there. He won't be showing, however, then when the backdrop switches to game stream 2, it will show. So that's all you really want. Now we want to do the controls for him. So all you want to do is go to events, and you want to grab the first ever when space key pressed. Instead of space, we don't want that. Now, this can be any way you want. So you can either have the left arrow key or the right arrow key as your left and right. You can have your up arrow for your left and right, your down arrow for your left and right, or you could have your A. You can have any key you want, but the main keys are A and D for left and right, and the left and right arrow key for left and right. I'm going to use the A key because it's probably the simplest and most gamers understand the A key. So when A key pressed, point in direction. That's what you want, guys. And then we want to turn him around. So let's click A. And he will do that. Now, that is something that we do not want. We don't want him to face upside down. So let's just turn him around again. So we want him to face that way, but we obviously don't want him to go that way, if you get what I mean. We don't want him to go upside down. Now, I'm gonna do this the complicated way because I am some smart guy. I'm joking. Just do it the way I do because I feel like it's simpler. So when a costume clicked, you want to duplicate this guy, select him, and then you want to flip horizontal. So cat 2. We want to get rid of this, and I want to do a space to call it cat left, not left. Cat's left. So I'm going to do the same on the top one, but right. There we go. And we want to go to looks and drag switch costume to costume cat right at the start, because that's the main thing that you want to do. And then when the A key is pressed, you want switch costume to cat left and get rid of the pointing direction. And you want motion, sorry, don't know why I went in sensing. Same colours, that's why. You want move, and then let's just say move 10 steps. So an A key pressed, you will now move that long. It is a bit steppy, but you know, that is what it was. We can have the this can have this move 10 steps, but let's just do this. So now we want to duplicate this, put it right next to it, and we want to change the A key to the D key. So now when you press the D key, it'll do the exact same. So when switch costume to cat right and move 10 steps. So now we click this, it'll now move that way, which is really good. So we have basic character movement now, which is good. And then instead of cat, call it character, because eventually we're going to have a character swim and so on. Now he does look really, really happy, but you know, we can keep it like that, or you can use the reshape tool to reshape its mouth into a sad, depressed version. It's up to you. I'm going to keep it happy because I'm just going to keep it like this. So let's click play. Wait, first of all, let's make it go on the main menu and then click save now. And then let's click play again. Let's wait for it to load. There we go. Our plane's here. It's quite quiet, which is good. There we go. Now our protagonist is here. We can now move, which is good. It's good that we can move. It does look a bit choppy, so we're not here for the animation. We can always come back and change it later on, which is what we're gonna do later on. So now we want to add some inventory. So let's quickly add like a palm tree into the game. So I think there might be a palm tree. So we search a tree. There is some trees, yes. Okay, so we want to get this tree. This tree is pretty basic, but it is what it is. It's a tree. That is absolutely fine. You can draw your own tree, but it may take a little longer, so you might want to pause the video here if you want to. So we want to get rid of this. It says tree 1. Get rid of that. Just call it tree. So there's only going to be really one tree on this island, and it's going to be quite amazing. I'm joking. It's not going to be amazing. it's going to be a tree. So the next thing you want to do is go to the events, drag the when green flag clicked button, and go to looks, scroll down and click hide. That's pretty simple. We basically want the same thing that we had here. When backdrop switches to game screen 2, we want to drag this to the tree icon here. Now I don't know why it's glitching. It always glitches, which is a bit annoying. Yep, it always glitches. I don't know why it does that, it always glitches, but obviously we're going to have to do it the manual way, so go to events, when backdrop switches to menu, we're going to drag that out, and then change the menu to game screen 2. I'm going to go back to looks, scroll down to see show, drag that and connect it to that code. So now the tree is there, we now need to set its position always to be there, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go to motion, drag it to where you want the tree to be, so have it on the furthest right, and then go to the certain place. Now we want to click D, hold D, and as you can see our character is behind the tree. That is not what we want at all. So what we want is a character to be in front of the tree, so just go to looks, it's really simple, you don't need to make any code, scroll down into see go to front layer and click it once, and as you can see now, if we go over D, he is now over the tree, which is really good. Alright, so let's just click this there. We can't say, it doesn't say save, which is a bit annoying, but you know, that's fine. So now we have the tree, let's make an inventory system. Or that will be in the next episode. So right now, let's just, I think that should be it for this episode. We've done the character movement, so we can play the game. If we click play, pardon me, the plane starts working. Falls into the ocean, and now we are on the island. So now let's quickly add some coconuts to the tree. So obviously we're not going to have it as a tree, we're going to now have it as our own sprite. So we want to choose a sprite, let's search for a coconut. Nope, there is no coconut, however I spotted this ball. So you just want to select the ball. Obviously it's going to be a, if you go to costumes, it's a multicolored ball. So just delete every single one, get rid of the ball, rename it coconut. Now it doesn't look like a coconut because we are now going to make it brown. So let's find a nice brownish colour. There we go, that's fine. There we go, coconut. Now we just want to quickly draw some simple lines on the coconut. So select a darker brown. Just draw some simple lines on it. It doesn't have to look good. If you want it to look really good, then you can take your time. However, I'm not taking my time. I'm just quickly doing it. Later on, I will, and I can change it later on. There we go, coconut. Let's just add some hairs on the edge of it real quick. And then next episode, guys, we will create our inventory system. And I just want to say thank you so much. The support for this series has been amazing. I never ever thought that it would be this good. The series would blow up this much. But apparently it has, so I'm very thankful for it. And once you have drawn your coconut, go to the code section and go to grab the when green flag clicked, go to looks, scroll down, and click hide. Now the reason why we want this is because it won't show up and we'll be fine. So then go to when backdrop switches to game screen 2, go back to looks and click show. Now the coconut won't do anything, however next episode we will make it so if the character holds his mouse icon over it, it will either fall to the ground and roll, or he just touches it and it adds to his inventory. Now that's what I'm gonna do. So next episode, so if you guys did enjoy, please do leave a like and subscribe to the Driple Studios channel. Part 4 will be out tomorrow, and it is 100% going to be the inventory system. We might add some more stuff to the backdrop, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please do leave a like and subscribe to the Driple Studios channel. Jesus. See you in the next one. Goodbye.